Hi. Okay, so I have the Jeffree Star Deluxe and Premium mystery boxes here. I did get 3 of the Jeffree Star approved mirrors, all 3 colors, because I do rhinestone all my Jeffree Star stuff. I have like a display, and it's just like really calming for my depression and my anxiety because it gives me something to look forward to. So anyway, that's why I bought those. I didn't want you guys to think I was being like wasteful or whatever. Because I know that in this climate of consumerism is not the best as I open 2 mystery boxes. So I did see some sneak peeks online. Okay, so first of all, we have, this is the premium box. We have the gloss in Succulent. Gorgeous. It's like a gorgeous pink with blue micro glitters. I wish there was a different color top to this, like exclusive to the Valentine's Day boxes, but I'm not going to worry about it, obviously. I like the gloss. I have a review of that formula, and I do quite like it. The Jeffree Star Pop Socket. And that's that on that. And then we have a beanie, which I will not wear because I don't wear hats. They don't fit over my head and wigs. And I look like the guys I used to date. Oh my fucking god. Okay, I'm leaving it on for this. And then I have the Alien palette. I will be selling this. I do already have this. So I will be selling this new in box. I'm not going to give it away just because I spent a lot of money on this, and fuck generosity. I want to reap like a little bit of the benefit, you know? This is the Deluxe. Okay, this is what I see first off, and quite honestly, I almost want to put this on instead. This is like the guys I used to date who are in jail now, and this is like the guys I date now who like golf 24/7. These, I know this will not fit me for a fact. So, oh my fucking god, I don't even know. This is like mathematical. I've never worn, oh my god, it cut me. This little clasp just cut me. My blood tastes sugary. Then I have some black straws. They're nice. Lots of tissue paper. A mirror. I think this is the shiny, yeah, the shiny pink. I have one of these rhinestoned. I will probably, because I have a wall of mirrors. I think I have about, I have every mirror he's ever done except for the plum and the thirsty mirror. Oh, and the Netherlands mirror, but who has that? And then I did see this in the mini breaker. I do also have this. So I see a lot of these online. I don't know if I would even get anything for it. I have the exclusive liquid lipstick that's a broken heart with a question mark over top of it. When I'm doing YouTube videos and I'm wearing one of these, this is like really bleeding. It's really hard for me to like name these in the description. I'm like, oh, I'm using the Jeffree Star lipstick that's a question mark. So this is the color. It's maybe like red with like an orange pink duochrome. Matches the color of my blood. And then I have the gloss in Candy Drip. I rhinestoned these as well too, so I'm looking over there to see. I do have it. But it's nice because this is a really wearable one that's really pretty. It's pink and it's got, looks like holographic glitters. There's like purple and green. But they're very fine. So, and it's nice to have all my gloss packages have the old packaging where it doesn't say the gloss on it. I don't know which I prefer, if it says the gloss or not. I don't know. Then I also have this. I bought it in the biggest size, which I know still isn't going to fit me because I'm not a 3X. Okay, oh, that's the front. It says, I can't relate. I'm gagging. Jeffree Star approved. Hi, how are ya? Iconic. And the Jeffree Star. Star. So, if that's something you'd wear, that's that. I don't really like graphic tees. Probably sell that too. And then I actually don't know what this is. Is this platinum? I think this is platinum ice, looking by the color of it. Yep. So this is the Platinum Ice Skin Frost Pro Palette, which I do quite enjoy as well. This looks a lot shinier than mine. Huh. Maybe it's because mine's like dusty or something. This is pretty. I like it. I literally just rhinestoned it yesterday. So yeah, that is the Jeffree Star mystery box, the deluxe and the premium. I think the premium's probably better because it came with Alien, whereas the deluxe only came with the mini breaker, but it does come with this as well too, so you have to take that into consideration. And the lipstick and the lip gloss. So yeah, I'm happy with everything I purchased. I do have the other exclusives on the way to me that I did not get in this. So I have the purple. I bought a backup succulent, which I didn't mean to do, and I did buy a backup of the liquid lipstick, which I didn't mean to do, but that's anyways. I do have the purple lip gloss coming, and I just need to get the exclusive Jeffree Star approved mirror. I do wish he would stop doing these because as a collector, it's really hard to vouch buying them for the exclusives, but with the way people gouge for pricing, like, I'm not gonna buy a liquid lipstick and a lip gloss for the price of the deluxe box. I might as well get the deluxe box. And I know that that seems very redundant, but that's what I want to do. So I'm gonna go put a Band-Aid on because this is like really bad. No need for a Band-Aid. We're good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and check out my other videos. If you're new to this video and just seeing it because of the unboxing, I do have other Jeffree Star cosmetics videos. I do 10 looks, 1 palette with every single one of his palettes. So, you know, give me a subscribe if you would like. Don't if you don't. From me and my beanie to you, thank you for watching. Bye.